Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't change country or region in Apple ID and any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change the country or region and your Apple ID or you cannot change, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection because sometimes it might be that your internet connection is weak, so you can get these type errors or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode after 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, then go for your settings, and here you have to tap on this general option, and here scroll down and look for this VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected here, or if you have any VPN, so you can easily disconnect and then retry, because sometimes it might be that your VPN is connected so you cannot change your country or region, or you have the option of software update. You have to try to update your software, and once you have updated your software you just have to go back, open up your app store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, tap on your Apple ID, and here you have to verify yourself via your face ID or account, your Apple account password, then tap on this country or region option, and from here you can easily change your country or region. Just scroll down and look for the country or the region in which you're living. And once you have that, you have to tap on it and it will be selected. Tap on this continue option, and here you have to tap on this agree option in the top right corner. And here you have to add a payment method. If you have any credit card or debit card, you have to enter all the details here. Or if you haven't any credit card or debit card, you can either select the none option from here. So after that, you have to enter these informations, and once you have that, simply tap on this done option, and your problem will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily change your country or region and your Apple ID and any iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.